Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Michael Kors watch. As you can see, we have the time that is going right here. Then we have the date complication here at 6 o'clock. This particular model also features a 24-hour display. So as you can see, if I pull the crown all the way and move the watch hands, you can see that now I know that I am at almost 7 a.m. so 7 in the morning. If I go past 12 o'clock, now I know that I am at 6 p.m. so 6 in the afternoon. And as you can see, we have a watch hand, so this subdial at 18. Now this is going to be a feature that not all of the watches will have, so I'm going to show you how to do this without, let's say, knowing whether you are AM or PM. So I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. Now the first thing that you want to do when you set the time and date is to actually set the date, and we are going to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date, because then I want to go with my watch hands past 12 o'clock manually so that I know on my desired date whether I am AM or PM. So what we want to do is to pull the crown to the first position, so only one click. And then if I rotate the watch crown, I'm going to change the date and I can go one by one. So let's say that my end goal is to make it the 20th of the month. I'm going to leave it at the 19th because, as I mentioned, I want to leave it 1 day prior to my end goal, so to the 20th. So 18th and 19th. Now we have set the date 1 day prior, and I'm going to pull the crown all the way, so to the last position, and I'm going to go past 12 o'clock manually until the date changes to my desired date, in this case the 20th. So now I know it is 5 a.m. so 5 in the morning on the 20th, supposing that we do not have the subdial for the 24-hour display. Now if I go past 12 o'clock, as you can see, the date did not change because we are now PM. So now I know that it is 6 p.m. so 6 in the afternoon. Now I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. The seconds hand is going to start ticking and we are done. We have correctly set the time and date on this Michael Kors watch. This tutorial is going to work for 99% of quartz watches out there, a lot of mechanical watches as well, but there is a catch when it comes to mechanical watches. So I have a full guide on how to do that on mechanical automatic watches or mechanical manual winding watches. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. Once again, if you found value from this video, make sure to give the thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if this helped, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.